Feel better after that.
It would be harder to diagnose, but with the tail the way it is, that's all such a pointer to the hypothyroid.
Feel better? You good boy?
Good boy.
Yeah. That's a good boy. See, you've knackered yourself now, haven't you?
Yeah, it's the accidental involvement of somebody, well, because it's totally off the planet. So.
Is it with real dogs as well?
No, it's not. I think we'll let him get on with it. And,
there we go. Good boy.
You're not going to get out in a hurry like that, Say if you watch him carefully, although you could say, well, he's trying to bite his leg or he's trying to bite his tail, but he isn't. There's not a mark on them.
No.
It's not that. It's he's surrounded by these. Are you going to shuffle up and
Do you want to come over in here then? Good boy.
Go on.
Over here, go. Come on then. Okay. That is weird. Is that better?
Good boy. Nice and easy does it. Yeah?
Oh, well, that's good because at least I got a video of that.
Yeah.
First hand,
I think
rather.
for the vet, because I mean, you don't want to put him in the car and then tell the vet to stand there and wait until he does it. You know what I mean? Because as I say, you could go all week without it happening because it's, you know. Good lad. You want to move from the door now, or do I have to move you? You like the new treats.
For God's sake. Saar!